Is your workplace first aid kit ready for emergencies? This guide introduces the First Aid Kit Checklist, Class A using eAuditor. Ensure your kits are complete, clean, and compliant. Start by noting the location and ID of your first aid kit. Check the inspection date and inspector's name. Ensure the kit is easy to access and clearly labeled. Confirm it is clean with no signs of damage. Always have the checklist available inside the kit. Ensure a variety of adhesive bandages and sterile gauze pads are present. Check for roller bandages, adhesive tape, and trauma dressings. Eye pads should be included for emergencies. Stock antiseptic wipes, alcohol pads, and antibiotic ointment. Don't forget burn cream and saline solution for eye wash. Include essential tools like scissors and tweezers. Ensure disposable gloves and a CPR face shield are present. Stock a thermometer and instant cold packs for emergencies. An emergency blanket and finger splints should be available. Add approved medications like pain relievers and antihistamines. Verify all items are within their expiry date. Ensure supplies are fully stocked and used items replaced. Remove any damaged or expired items. Update the emergency contact list and include first aid instructions. Ensure all documentation is current for Class A compliance. Document missing or expired items during inspection. Assign a responsible person for restocking. Set a clear deadline for replenishing the kit. Ensure both inspector and supervisor sign off on the checklist. This ensures accountability and timely corrective actions. Regular inspections and prompt restocking ensure readiness. Maintain thorough documentation for compliance. Use eAuditor to keep your first aid kits prepared and safe.